Hey guys, this is Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal and law-of-attraction-blueprint.com. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my manifestation hack for speaking things into existence. I have no idea why this works, but I've been doing this for years across different subjects. I just did it last week and it came into fruition. Like I said, I don't know the science behind it. I don't know why this works, but I'm here to share it with you today. Whether you're into the law of attraction, law of assumption, Neville Goddard, Abraham Hicks, it doesn't matter. I'm just here to share what works for me, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell to get notified about when I drop new content. My next video may be the one that you need to see. Now, if you have manifested something this year, doesn't matter how big or small, go ahead and give this video a like. And in the comments, what is your favorite thing to manifest? To my supportive community, I haven't dropped a video in 2 weeks, but here's why. I've been pushing out you guys orders for the last month, and I have barely had time to do anything. I've been getting everybody their order, that order for me, the custom affirmations for whatever you want to manifest, and the visualization scenarios. You guys know that was a package that I was offering. I know some of you missed it, and I had to cut it off because there's only one of me, but I love helping you guys. So what I decided to do, an instant download form, is put together a bundle. So there's 11 different subjects, 275 different affirmations, and it will be 33 scenes that you can visualize. Basically, I'm telling you what to visualize and I'm telling you what to affirm. If you pre-order it before Monday, because it drops Monday, April 3rd, you're getting a big discount. So yeah, it's going to be linked in my description box below. I'm so excited for it. Anyway, let's get into this video. I'm always amazed every time I manifest something doing this method. It freaks me out every time, but here we are. Okay, how to basically speak things into existence. This is the way I do it. It's a more natural way of doing it. I always do this in the shower. I have no idea, but when I do this in the shower, things seem to come quick. I start having a conversation with someone about what I want to manifest, but I'm talking to them as if it is already happened. For example, if you're trying to reconcile with someone, you want to have a conversation with this person, but you guys are just in a weird space, you can have the conversation with them. When you know this person, you kind of already know how they're going to respond to talking to you or whatever you have to say. So when you are talking to this person, and this is verbally, out loud in a shower, like I was saying with the example, if you're trying to have this person contact you or message you first or text you or call you, etc., then you have a conversation that you want to have with the person. I'm going to give an example. So one of my best friends and we go through it. Our situation is so complicated. Last year, I decided to cut the situation off because it has been an emotional roller coaster. But I was in the shower and I was just having a conversation with her. And you know, telepathy is a real thing. I was just telling her everything that I did want to say to her. What's crazy, it was easy for me to say it in the shower, but I could not bring myself to actually call her or text her and say it. Why am I like this? I have no idea. Mind you, we're in 2 completely different time zones. When I tell you the layers and layers of complication, we're in 2 different countries, 2 different time zones. Everything is just complicated. That Thursday, same week as my birthday, I'm in my bed. I get a text message. So that long phone number came in and I was like, here we go. But yeah, we ended up talking and everything that I imagined she would say, she ended up saying it. First of all, she hit me with the, I miss you and I know you miss me too. I said, what? How you just know that? But anyway, that's just an example. Have the conversation as if it's already happening, like it's happening in real life. But if you want to manifest something different, like money, maybe a car, a house, a new job, a vacation, etc., 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 then you could take your favorite person who you can confide in. It can be your spouse, it could be your best friend, your family member, your mother, your sister, your brother, uncle, the dude down the street who don't be judging you, whoever it is that you're comfortable talking to. Just imagine yourself talking to them. and talk about it as if it has already happened. So you're talking to this person verbally out loud in the shower as if something has already happened. For example, you could be like, yeah, I finally hit my goal of making $10,000 a month. And it feels amazing. And you could imagine, because you know this person, right, what they're going to say back to you. Have this full conversation as if you're really making the $10,000 a month. What happens? The universe is going to catch up. It is going to catch up and it's going to give you what you want. Whatever you talked about in that conversation is going to end up happening. Or I tell people this as well. You can script to a person. Like really write it out, because you know once you write stuff down, it manifests as well. That is one of the good reasons why I created my guided scripting sheets. Once you write that down, watch what happens. The people who are new here, I'm going to read something right quick, a testimonial real quick. Okay, this was from KK. She left a comment on a video. And she said, I would like to leave my review on my first scripting packet purchased through you. And mind you, these are $3.99 USD. I'm in the entertainment business and just wanted to see if the scripting packet will actually work. So one of the things that I wrote in the packet was basically I wanted someone to book me for a bachelor party. One day when I was walking out of my place of business, I ran into an old friend from when I first started working there. He said he was so glad to see me and told me that his cousin was having a bachelor party and that it was on Saturday, 2 days from when we ran into each other. Of course I said yes, because they were always great with tips. We had a great time at the party, and it dawned on me when I got home that I wrote this down in the packet on June 29th. I was asked to do the party July 7th, 8 days later after I wrote it down. Wow, sorry it's so long, but I had to share. Once you get to writing stuff down and saying stuff out loud, just watch what happens. All you have to do is go on about your business and allow the universe to catch up. But I'm Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal. Like I said, my manifestation momentum bundle. If you order it pre-sale before April 3rd on Monday, you're going to get a discount. Bunch of affirmations that you can use in the shower too. A bunch of visualization scenarios. Imagine this before you go to sleep or when you wake up in the morning. Do it consistently and watch what happens. I thank y'all. I love y'all. Thank you for your patience while I worked on you guys' orders. Thank you. But I'm back with the videos. And until next time.